the largest mall in East and Central of Africa, which is BBS, located in Isilim. So let me show you how it looks like. And as you can see from the view, so beautiful. Let me show you around before we get inside the mall. This is the view of the mall. The view of the mall from outside. Guys, the mall is so big. Look at the view inside. Let me show you this. Let's go this way and see. So big. Let's keep on going. Let's go upstairs. We have upcoming shops like World Life. The view is so good, so let's keep on going. The place is so big, so we can still go upstairs again. Let's keep on going upstairs to see what's up there. Poa sana. More spaces here for more shops. If you like the video, kindly subscribe. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to give me a like. So guys, I think we should end our video there. Make sure you subscribe and comment about this place. Tell me what you think about this place. The place is so clean.